It's okay, it's okay. 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 Next. What's your next, Sir James? The valvula? Valve?
No, I understand those.
Okay, that's okay.
This one.
If the motor will be clean, after clean will be on the motor. So the motor will be run, will no water come down. So please close this skimmer. That one is skimmer.
Yeah.
Because the skimmer will be no water. If the skimmer is no water, will be the skimmer no water will be suck the air. We suck the air, so no water. We suck the air, so close like that. This one is open, so close this one for no air for suction.
Okay.
So close, so this one will be open. It's okay.
But if this one, if the water level
On top here,
is this level right here,
it's here. The
I can
water.
run the skimmer.
Turn on the skimmer.
It's okay.
It's okay.
It should be higher, but that's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. But now water will be down. Will be air will be sucked.
Okay, so that should be like about halfway up that hole.
Oh, okay.
Yes?
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Kinahanglan ba kuno ang tubig halfway sa anang buho?
Mga 4 inches lagi gikan ani ma'am. Gikan ani mga 4 inches ani. Mga half lagi. Half. Okay. Level half. Yan tubig yun ani ma'am half.
But for where the water is right now, it's okay to run the skimmer.
Not okay, Sir James.
Not okay.
Not okay. Not good.
Okay.
You can irat ko na to.
Dili makasulyo
So,
ang hangin.
ano no?
Also, on this one, what is the sponge in that hole for?
Will be
Overflow?
overflow. Will be fill the water the pool until the rain will be.
Okay.
Makasuyo po siguro no?
Ha?
Pwede rin makasuyo.
Pwede rin ba?
Pwede rin, di ma'am?
Munang gibutangan naman naon kay usuguan dili mo amo overflow imong swimming pool.
It's okay na rin, no?
Ha?
Okay to be kung open the
Pwede ato padladon to.
steamer.
Okay.
So, let me make sure I understand the skimmer properly. The purpose of opening the skimmer is there's a lot of surface debris on top.
On top.
If there's not much on top but a lot on the bottom, then we want to close the skimmer.
Okay. Well, will be this one will be no more like that.
Yeah.
It's okay. Skimmer will be closed
Yeah.
or floor will be vacuum. Close the skimmer or will be water like that.
Close the skimmer when vacuuming.
Yes. Oh yes. For the water like that, water will be full. That's okay. Open.
Okay.
Will be cannot suck the air.
Okay.
Okay. So
So then we have these other valves.
this one also the students like that in here. The kiddie pool
Yeah.
will be the floor drain. Floor
Yeah.
drain. And also the kiddie vacuum. This one.
Uh huh.
So I close the kiddie vacuum. I close will be open. It's okay to open also. Before will be the mini kiddie to use the pole.
Before they
But
use it.
it's if
vacuum.
yeah, like happened to Daryl.
So that's okay to open. Very good.
If there's nobody, it's okay to open.
Okay, mama.
Yeah.
So this one
We
is
already got a vacuum.
this one for the big box light.
Oh.
Big box.
Okay.
For the circuit box in the lighting. And also
Okay, so this is the main floor drain.
The KD vacuum for the enclosed
Okay,
floor drain, main floor drain. KD floor drain for the flooring, you know the floor.
okay, so why do we want that open and closed? When will we open, when will we close?
This one will be you vacuum, Sir James, not strong, you know the
Yeah.
vacuum. So will be better the KD floor will be half. So will be the vacuum will be strong.
Okay.
And also this one will have
Okay,
like design of half will be full close like that. Close. The vacuum will be open.
Very strong.
Very strong. It's okay. So half.
so what is the purpose of the floor drain for the main floor drain, the kitty floor drain?
For
What-
the
when do we want to open it?
this one,
Yeah.
Ang floor drain, kuno ano sa...
I open up.
Open po dyan.
Pwede po nag-open.
Always ano?
Oh, always open. That's okay.
Okay, so when do we just close it to get stronger vacuum?
Yeah,
That's the only
well-
time we close it?
Will be strong.
Ano sa amon kuno, ano
If
sa
you-
kuno i-close?
Kung dili strong iyahang vacuum pwede na siya ipang-close. Half ba? Basta kay ga-vacuum siya.
So,
Okay.
if you're vacuuming, you can have it half closed.
Okay, I understand.
Half
But
close.
is there any other time besides the vacuum? I understand that closing that gives us a stronger vacuum. Is there any other time we would want to close those?
So,
Nahaba ko na ilaing higayon nga yung mga nga kinahanglan open or close.
better man open. Tanan. Open po niya. That's okay, open. That's okay, Sir James, open.
Okay, so no reason to close it other than the fact that
Yeah.
we want a stronger vacuum.
No result. Better to open all because the dust on the floor will be sucked until there.
No one there, that's why there's
It's okay.
Okay.
So,
Let's go over the test kit.
Let's get this one.
Yeah.
Sorry. Get the water inside. Tayo. So will be get the water like that till here. Mga 60 centimeter, between 60 centimeter like that. And then open up.
Okay.
Okay. So they have the level. So it will be full and doing like that.
leave room to put that
Drops.
So this side, you know, Sir James, this side is Moriatic. Moriatic and then
Lauren.
Chlorine. Okay. I put 5 drops on the Moriatic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the chlorine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we'll be close. You have no more covers. Close.
Covers left.
Shake. 3 shake. It's okay. So the color will where the matching
It's too high.
too high.
The Moriatic is too
Yeah.
high.
The Moriatic
The
I
chlorine is weak.
chlorine is weak. I think this ideal.
You think
It's
it's okay?
So it's okay, chlorine, okay. It's better here. 7.8. the Moriatic.
Better the second level. I mean, the lighter one.
Og modo na rin ma'am sa 7.6. There's ideal. So,
So both are okay?
okay. It's okay. Gibutan nga ning Moriatic ma'am no?
If I go swimming tonight, I will not melt?
Where the chlorine?
The Moriatic is.
Gibutan nga yung tablet ma'am no?
Oh.
You have a tablet sir.
Yeah.
Mas wapo paliton ma'am katong kuan 70%.
Oh, naapod no?
Oo, katong kuan
No, we got the stabilized chlorine now, the Japanese. Before we were buying the Chinese.
it's better. It's okay the Chinese James.
No, because it dissolves too fast and it's not stabilized.
Oh, the Chinese.
Yeah.
China.
Also, El Cap,
Ilkap. Oh,
too expensive.
those medicine.
Mahal.
Online may order.
Pwede. That's okay online. And also will be on Bohol Pol in Dao Dawes. At the Bohol Pol at the Dao Dawes, ma'am. So, last will be will be go out and then the what you call that the Caltex with ma'am. Gasoline station. Will we go there?
Oh, sa Pikas.
Oh, sa Pikas nga Kasada. So, the Dao
Asay
Dawes.
una, San Isidro o Dao?
San Isidro, una sunod Dao.
Okay.
Before the, after the corner of Bohol Bee Farm.
Okay.
Till the Bohol Bee Farm.
So one more question for you. Tell me about applying. Oh, I moved the acid into the muriatic acid. How much do I put in here?
In here, I think better James should be here.
Halfway,
Halfway.
and then fill the rest with water.
Okay. Will be good until the
Get the water from the pool and.
the side like that. Because this one is will be algae will be trap
Yeah.
the wool will be and then put the water into the
Okay. Now, what about the
chlorine.
chlorine, the 70%?
70%.
So I just like
okay.
from the gallon.
We put here. Ipakuan na yung tiles ma'am. Maigut
It
ang
has
algae.
to,
Finish it until the wool.
on the side,
The
you
side.
have to
To
pour it on the side so the algae would be.
penetrate the tiles.
Okay.
So you'll be use the chlorine. You see the air cannot smell the chlorine. So you air from there. So will be there. Go there because you cannot smell it good in the chlorine.
You just have to wear mask.
Okay. Then the center. Little
Is it supposed to dissolve? All of it? Does it dissolve or does it go to the bottom?
go to bottom.
Okay.
But you have to do it on the side, pour it on the
First,
side.
go first in the side.
Yeah, but then you toss some
In
in.
the center. Okay, para ini ka milk ito ma'am. Ako anong tong yung tubig dito unsay mga abog-abog ba galuhon to. So will be use the vacuum. Put first the water, and then the vacuum head will be go on the water. No, because the machine never to suck our
Air.
air. And put there, and then we vacuum. Will be slowly first because the dust will be
Yeah.
flow. Balik. Like that. Okay.
Okay. Nothing else?
So better si James you not use the fountain will be your vacuum. Do not use
When
the
you vacuum, don't
Oh,
use the fountain.
Oh, okay.
it's okay para
No, I don't like the fountain because I can't see.
Oh, you can see the dust.
Yeah.
So not use. So the poles will be half. Put the half.
Yeah.
Okay, we have already this one open with 3. Return this one 3.
Okay.
Okay. About the lighting, it's okay.
Yeah.
So, but now you fill up the water so then.
Yeah.
If not necessary to use this pole, do not use the motor. Because the electrical will be.
Yeah, but if we don't use the motor, then it doesn't circulate, and it gets bad. The water gets bad. It gets cloudy.
So will be.
So that's why we're going to put solar up there.
Oh, okay, that's okay. The solar will be used 220.
Yeah.
220 volts because the motors will be 220 volts.
Yeah. I think we need about 5 kilowatts for this. For the pump and
For the pump only, because this one is 12 volts. No,
Yeah.
no problem. The lighting, and also will be the use the pole will be using the like that. What we call that is zipper.
yeah.
Is allowed. Do not use this zipper
Yeah.
because this metallic. This one metallic. So will be the water will be metallic, not clear, like rusty color.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Just
Thank
do you have
you.
a problem, Sir James? Will school me.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.